Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Firstly, I've got a couple of stamps to get rid of that I've not shown you before. One is from the Isle of Man and the other one is first class from UK, Elizabeth. I think it's showing like Salvador Dali type paintings. But we have three £2 coin cards here towards the latest collection. We have the Commonwealth Games Scotland, we have the Mary Rose, and we have the Gunpowder Plot. And we need to now just go and have a quick look. Here are the £2 trading cards. Right, first of all, do we have a Commonwealth Games? Well, yes we do, so that's a spare. Do we have a Mary Rose? Well, yes we do, so that's a spare as well. Gunpowder Plot. Gunpowder Plot goes here. So one of the three cards that we've shown you is a new card. So I'm now left with, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 £2 cards, which means I've got 5 left to get. The 5 I've got left to get are the Rugby World Cup from 1999, the 2002 Commonwealth Games Northern Ireland. Now, on the very first set of these cards, they did do them by how many coins were issued, was how many cards were issued. I don't know whether that's true or not. If it is, that's going to be a very difficult card to get a hold of. As will this one here, which is the Olympic Centenary, which is also a low minted coin. So if the card's the same as the coins, as they have been in previous series, that could be another difficult one to get. And then we have two over here. We have the London Rio Handover, which again is quite a difficult coin to get hold of, and the Shakespeare Histories. That one shouldn't be difficult to get hold of, providing all of the cards are sequential to the amount of coins that were released. I don't know whether that's the case in this particular one. So we've got Shakespeare's Histories from 2016, a 2012 card of the London Rio Handover, the 2008 Olympian London Centenary was it the first Olympic Games in London, 1908? And then we got the 2002 Commonwealth Games Northern Ireland and the 1999 Rugby World Cup. There are quite a few, as I say, there are 5 left for me to get. So hopefully they won't take me too long to find. I am due 2 more today in the next week or so. That's for the £5 George Michael and the £5 Maid Marian. I should get a card with each of those, so hopefully, if I'm very lucky, I'll go down by 2 more cards and just be left with 3 to find. And what's the betting of 3 will be the London Rio Handover, the Commonwealth Games Northern Ireland and the Olympic Centenary. Be just my luck if those are the ones that I'm left with, if I get 2 cards in my 2 cards that I need in those 2 £5 coins that are due to me. So that's an update. It's a very quick one. As I've got the cards, I've just done an update with you. I hope you are able to get cards that you're looking for. I will say again, I have two £2 coins for £2 coin cards for swaps if need be. I have also a whole stack, a whole box in fact, of the 50p ones, and there you go, there's some 50p ones in there, and then there's 50p ones in all of them from series 1 to 4. I have complete sets, should people need them, of the gold cards, and a few spare ones on top of that as well. So these gold cards, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 complete sets there that I can trade, and I have some spare cards in that one of the gold cards. So if you are short of some cards, my email is down in the description below. If you are short of cards, email me and I'll see if I can help you out. I'm sure we can arrange something where either we do a swap, or I'm not overly precious about keeping the extra cards. I have far too many of them for my own liking. But let's see, once you've told me what you need and whether I've got the card that you need. That's the end to this video. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. If at this moment in time I'm doing a minimum of 5 videos, normally 6 videos a week, and this is in the hope that you can find something that you enjoy watching, and hopefully that will lead to you then subscribing to the channel. I am trying to up my subscriber level again this year. I did have 250 at the end of last year, which was my target. My target for this year I've put at 425. By March 10th I have 289 subscribers. So I'm a fair way short, but with your help I'll be able to reach the target again this year. So if you believe I've deserved it, could you please subscribe to the channel? If you believe this video's deserved it, could you please give it a thumbs up? And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.